This next tutorial we'll look at the fillet and chamfer commands. So these basically either add a radius or an angle to an edge. So if we're looking at sort of what I'm thinking is a camera, we're going to want to sort of chamfer or round over the edges. So you can see here we've got two options: fillet, which is a round over, and chamfer, which is a corner. So we're going to start by chamfering the front edge. So we're going to select some edges. Oops. Holding down the Shift key. We go to chamfer, and now you can see it just does one as an example. And so it's got an angle of 45 degrees. It also has a distance, and 0.1 inches is too much. I want this to be much less. I'm going to say 0.05. And if I like the way that looks, I'll just click OK. Now you can see I've got sort of a broken corner on each edge, and I want to continue to apply that all the way around. Again, we want to apply chamfer. Same dimension, click OK. So now we've got sort of a nice detail. Likewise, we can do this to the sort of leading edge of the lens body. Right, this is where you have to be careful that that the chamfer is not so deep that it starts to extend beyond the depth of that face. So if we sort of increase it, you can see now it's going too far and it's breaking the geometry. So we want to keep that at 0.05 inches. Actually, we might want to make that even a little finer because we really want to have that on the inside and the outside. So I'm going to do 0.025 inches. Perfect. So click OK. We'll do one more on the inside face. Okay. Then on the back, I'm going to have a round over here. So I'm actually going to add a fillet to that edge. I'll say 0.25. I'll accept that. And you can see it's sort of creating a nice simple geometry where it intersects with the chamfer. We've got a rounded over edge here. We've got a corner on these faces. Okay.